right, at Walmart here, Halloween. Let's walk it. Here we go. Everybody says I walk to the store too fast, but I don't want to take forever and burn y'all out. But I'll go a little slower this time. Check out the Halloween decorations here. Check that out, man. It feels like Halloween, or at least fall festival. Wow, some nice stuff here. Really nice. Here, I'll pause for a second here so you can look at a lot of stuff. All right, we get right into the Halloween here. Here we go. They got skeletons, folks. They got costumes. So bring the grandkids and nieces and nephews. Break it loose here because the prices are right. $19.97 for a costume. $17, $22. That's not a bad deal. Not a bad deal at all. Got your buckets. They're a little different. I like these, the old classic here. Yeah. They're thinner than the old ones, but they're still pretty cool. I like them. But it's Halloween. They got tons of candy. Make yourself sick on that. Right there, have a diabetic seizure right there. Oh, check this out. I don't even know what these are. They're like plushes or something. Check that out. Here's some more stuff. Yeah, a little toddler. Make him a lion or a cow. Yeah, check that out. That's funny. A monkey. Yeah, a monkey. Right on. Too funny. Too funny. Maybe for me it's funny. That's pretty cool. Scooby-Doo. You could be Scooby-Doo. Check that out. Yeah, Scooby-Doo, man. Yeah. And for the little girls, little ladies out there. Oh yeah, all kinds of sambo there. A lot of Disney. A lot of Disney. A lot of Disney. And oh, they could be a witch too. Hey, that happens. All right, cheerleader. All kinds of crazy stuff here. Be a doggone ninja there. Ghouls. Vampire. Wow. They're going all out this year. At Walmart. Check it out at Walmart, folks. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah.
Donnie has the security.
Pardon me, sir. They got more stuff here. They got the actual makeup so you can make yourself up. Look like you have a festering wound or whatever. Yeah, masks are kind of scary here. That one's pretty terrifying if you were driving around with that on. Oh yeah. These are pretty scary looking. Not as scary as Spirit, but they get there. And these costumes, even for adults, are cheap. I mean, $9.98. Dang. The old country girl here. Or a gothic vampire. Be a hot dog, too. Hot dog. Or a killer clown. Or just Mr. Michael Myers himself. The man, the legend. That's interesting. Wow, what is that? These are called window clings. That's just weird. Wow. Oh yeah. You got your Christmas wreath and now you have your Halloween wreath. The windstorms at my house, man, they just tear that stuff up. All right, too cute to spook. So I hope I went a little slower for you folks out there to see the Walmart Halloween. Little bat here. I think it's a bat. Yeah, it's a bat. It's a bat. Teddy bear. Kind of dark. I guess if you got some goth grandkids or whatever, you get them a teddy bear like that. All-in-one pumpkin carving set for $4.97. I mean, that's good for a couple of years to keep it in a bag. So, I walked it through pretty slow here. I don't know, maybe I have one more aisle. Hang on. Oh, I do. Shame on me. Another aisle. Oh yeah. When you're throwing parties. Check it out. Plates, decoration. Pretty cool. What in Dodge is this? Oh, okay, it's a spooky light thing. Check that out. I remember these from last year. Yeah, there's a witch one. Wow, that's pretty scary. I mean, that probably gets really big on a wall there. You got a boo lamp. Check it out. Fading eyes. That's weird. Huh. And they got blow-ups for your yard. And the prices are a lot better here than a lot of places I've been. 84 to 129. That's not bad. Trust me. Some of these things are running in the hundreds. All right, one more side here. More decoration. And you got to break out some large skeleton or small. And then just some kind of creepy clown dude. Wow, that's rough. Some rough stuff there. Oh, that's just plain scary. Look at that. Put that on the side of your garage. Man, nobody's coming to your house. No way. Oh, especially if this guy's coming out of your little garden bed out front. Yeah, that's rough, man. Oh, this is even rougher. Look at this thing. You hang it in the front of your yard. Look at that face on that thing. Wow. That is terrifying. Absolutely terrifying. You got a spider. I think that's a spider. Yeah, it's a folded up spider. That's rough. Wow. Scary. Put that in someone's bed. Oh, I didn't give any hints there. Anyway, more spiders. I really find this thing absolutely terrifying. Look at that. That thing is that's just scary. Sorry, I'm kind of obsessed over it, but you hang it upside down in your front yard. Look at that thing. You hang it upside down in your tree. Nobody's going to come and ring your door. There's no way. There's no way. And then you got your Halloween lights. Well, check it out. Halloween lights. Tons of it, too. I mean, I can't go over all this, folks. But, yeah, it's a lot of lighting here. I mean, this has turned into the dark Christmas here. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Walmart. Check it out. Halloween.